Ahead of the second phase of elections on Friday, a war of words has ensued between India's ruling BJP and main opposition party Congress over the opposition leader's statement over redistribution of wealth. In the latest, close aide of Congress Gandhi family and chairman of Indian Overseas Congress Sam Pitroda emphasized the need for a policy toward wealth distribution as elaborated on the concept of inheritance tax prevailing in America. Advocating for a similar policy, Pitroda said if someone worth $1 billion dies, his children gets the money and the public gets nothing. These are the kinds of issues people have to debate and discuss. When we talk about redistributing wealth, we are talking about new policies and new programs that are in the interest of the people and not in the interest of the super rich only, he added.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now, that's an interesting law. It says, you in your generation made wealth. You are leaving now. You must leave your wealth for public. Not all of it, half of it. Which to me sounds fair. In India, you don't have that.
Following the remarks by the closet of Gandhi CN, BJP leaders including Prime Minister Narendra Modi have slammed Congress, accusing the grand old party of snatching rights of people's children. Addressing a rally in Chhattisgarh, PM Modi said if Congress is voted to power, it will hit the public with higher taxes and after that, they will impose an inheritance tax. Your hard-earned money will not go to your children but in Congress' hand, he said in a jibe aimed at Congress election symbol. Echoing a similar stance, Home Minister Amit Shah slammed Congress and said comments by Sam Pitroda have exposed the grand old party's intention. He said Congress should either withdraw or accept that distributing wealth is their intention.
अब ये लोग उससे भी एक कदम आगे चले गए हैं। अब कांग्रेस का कहना है कि वो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स लगाएगी। माता पिता से मिलने वाली विरासत पर भी टैक्स लगाएगी। आप जो अपनी मेहनत से संपत्ति जुटाते हैं, वो आपके बच्चों को नहीं मिलेगी, बल्कि कांग्रेस सरकार का पंजा उसे भी आपसे छीन लेगा।
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in past few rallies has linked redistribution to the already promised caste census and said if Congress comes to power, it will carry financial survey to find who holds India's wealth and after they will begin the revolutionary work of giving people what they are due. BJP leaders have used these remarks against the opposition, heating up the election campaign.